We're gonna do something unusual in this video. We're headed to Disney later this year and I ordered the MagicBand Pluses. So I'm gonna unbox them and show everybody what it's like. We just got these in the mail today. Oh, I like that. Disney themed paper. Alright. There we go. You can see the two that we ordered. Of course, my husband's a huge Star Wars fan, so we had to go with the Grogu MagicBand, and then I got the firework one. So let's open, of course, let's open his first. Seems to be stuck in there on something. Oh my. I don't know what it's stuck on. It's packaged in there really well. Oh, and it's got the charging cable here on the back. You can see that. Attached on the back. Says works with Alexa on the box too. Put that QR code up there. Maybe anyone would like to scan that and see what kind of information they have. What I love about these, rechargeable. My other MagicBand, of course, is completely dead after 4 years, so I like that we can recharge these. This is the same way. Kind of stuck in there a little bit. Both of them were. Yeah. We got the castle with fireworks on one side, and then again, another charger. Doesn't come with an actual charging block, but just hook it to any of those USB. And still two different sizes. You can make it shorter if you want, longer. All right. I don't know if I showed you what that looks like. Now to hook them up. Everything is now out of the packages, and just wanted to show you this, what it looks like. And it appears like it just snaps in. And then you can pop it off. Okay. And I want to show you a comparison from my old MagicBand. So they're slightly bigger than the older style ones, but not too much. Okay, let's try to link this MagicBand. You go to your Disney app. Never done this before, so we'll do this together. MagicBands and more. Right. MagicBand and tickets. hold your magic band or card to the upper section of the back of your phone to link. I was already on the app. Hold your band. Assign this magic band to Brad. Power on, press and quickly release the button on the back of your band. Once powered on, hold button down for 3 seconds. Oh, there, it vibrated. Okay. Power hold it down the button 3 seconds and release. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it pulsed. Okay, let's update. Make sure. Update available. Okay. An update is available for your band. Okay. Ooh, look at that light up. That is really cool. When they sent the little notification that they arrived, they gave a little video on you could change this so that it always lights up a certain color, or make it a theme, whatever theme you wanted it to be, and change how it vibrates, if it's more sensitive or less sensitive. So we will check that out later. I did say it was going to take up to 3 minutes. Oh, that's quite an update for a brand new item. We ordered these last week when they went on sale, and it took about 5 or 6 days to get here. And we looked just a few minutes ago for this particular band on the Disney, and it's out of stock. And when I initially ordered them, Disney was only giving you 10 minutes to order a MagicBand Plus. That's how longer you got to look through them and choose which one you wanted. And it was a limit of 2 per design. So you could have ordered 2 of these. It was only 2 per design per person. So I suppose you could have ordered 4, but we were checking out on a marketplace, and this particular band's going for $100 right now. It's only 5-6 days old. That's just crazy. And I know there's another app you can download so that these magic bands do other things within the park, especially Hollywood Studios and the Star Wars. You can be a bounty hunter, so you need to download a different app for that. So we're going to do that so we can play that game while we're there. Oh, all right, must be done. Close. Up to date, Bluetooth paired. Oh, right there it is. Light up theme, change color, and then adjust settings, brightness, vibration, and other interactive features. So let's take a look. Change color. Theme. Does it? Let's see about the other. Let me put this a little closer maybe so you can see a little better. Ooh, that one's pretty. I think I like that one. Let's save selection. So, adjust your band's appearance and how it interacts with experiences. Keep your band close by during this process. Band light. On and off. Reduce brightness and then vibration. Increase motion recognition. Your band will be more sensitive to your movements during interactive experiences. Probably should turn that on. Connected park experiences. If turned off, your band will not be able to access Bluetooth enabled experiences in the park. Oh, definitely. That's the whole point of the band, right? Okay, there you have it. Thanks for watching.